Hi guys, in this video we will talk about what is TP and SL in Forex. Let's start first with what is TP, or take profit. TP is an order to close a trade automatically when the market moves in favor of your position in profit. This means, we need to put a profit target value in running position so that when market reach at that value then the trade will close automatically. Next we will talk about what is SL, or stop loss. SL is an order to close a trade automatically when the market moves against your position in loss. This means, if our running position suddenly went into loss, and if we have already put a limit value to loss as per our risk appetite, so that when market reach that value then the trade will close automatically, and we will be able to limitize our losses. Let's have a look at benefits of using TP and SL. TP helps you to lock your profits, on the other hand, SL helps you to limit your losses, and when you are using TP and SL, you no need to monitor your running trades continuously, so it saves your time. If you are a beginner, you might be thinking, how to use TP and SL, so don't worry. Further we will explain you how to use these commands. Let's understand TP and SL, with examples of Euro USD. So, if we buy Euro at 1.1785, and we want 50 pips profit, and if trade will go into loss, then we like to limit the loss at 50 pips only. So for this, we need to put a TP value at 50 pips above entry price, that is, 1.1835. And SL value at 50 pips below the entry price, that is, 1.1735. If you don't understand the concept of pips, please watch our Forex terminology video. Find link in description. So let's move further with Euro sell example. If we sell Euro at 1.1785, and we want 50 pips profit, and if trade will go into loss, here also we like to limit the loss at 50 pips only. So for this, we need to put a TP value at 50 pips below entry price, that is, 1.1735. And SL value at 50 pips above the entry price, that is, 1.1835. So in both the cases, when the market moves, and the value where market reaches first, either TP or SL value, trade get closed there automatically, and that will finalize the results with profit or loss. In those cases we will say that the market hits TP, if trade get closed in profit, or the market hits SL, if trade get closed in loss. Now we will tell you about the steps to set TP and SL. So first we talk about desktop or laptop version. Here when you go to put an order, you will see the spaces in the window as stop loss and take profit. You just need to put your SL and TP value in the spaces, and place your order. Here you can see the order get placed and TP and SL showing below. One more thing we want to tell you that you can also add and modify TP and SL when your position is running. For that you need to right-click on the running trade. Select Modify or Delete Order. Then again you can see the same window. Put your SL and TP value here and modify the order. Your TP and SL values gets added. Similar process need to be done in mobile trading too. Here also you need to update SL and TP, in the given spaces, and place the order. As soon you place the order, you can see TP and SL get reflected here, in details of the running position. You can also add or modify TP and SL later in an already running trade, just click on Modify. Put values to the spaces showing here, and click Modify. You can see TP and SL get reflected here. It's a very simple process. To stay along in Forex, don't trade without stop loss, otherwise it can ruin your account at any moment. Thanks for watching the video. See description below to contact us, Reliable Broker, our social media, and many more. Stay tuned for our next video, Types of Currency Pairs.